This is our room. And the, what is it, Ed? The Palazzo? Palazzo. This is the bathroom. Oh, wow. 2 doors. Close. Open. Okay. Have a vanity. That's where I'll be doing my makeup. A separate area with just a toilet, a phone. Double sink. It's very spacious, which is awesome. And a huge mirror. Don't mind me, guys, I look crazy. Long flight. TV in the corner. A tub with a separate shower. I realized they have a lot of mirrors here. Ooh, another mirror. Where all the magic happens now. The bed. Closet. 2 robes, iron board, a safe. This might sound crazy, but what is this? Actually, I do know what it's for, never mind. A TV. Then you walk down 2 steps, which can be really dangerous if you're coming in from a great night out. Couch. Another TV. Refrigerator. Ooh. Wow. Bottles of Patron. Jack Daniels. I can only imagine how much these cost. One of the workers told us that the bottle of water in our room is $5. So I doubt we'll be drinking any of this, but still looks nice. Ooh, I'm all wet. So they got Fiji water, resort water, Pringles, chocolate raisins, cashews. Yeah, and we won't be eating any of these either because I know it's an arm and a leg. Oops. So put that back nicely. So another table with 2 seats, a desk with another mirror, and there's a beautiful view. Guys, look how gorgeous this is. I see 3 pools, and there's actually, no, it's 4 pools. Yep, so 1, 2. So let me show it again. 1 pool, 2 pool, 3. And then right there in the corner, there's actually people there, which I'm surprised because it's actually I mean, it's nice. It's like low 70s, but I don't think it's actually pool weather. But to each his own. And another cool thing is this. Press close. Now open. Thanks for tuning in, guys.